So we're going to talk about making some modifications in case you have back pain or knee pain or even other areas of the body with more extension-based activities and more flexion-based activities. You want to try to basically offload those things but still get the desired motion without the pain that usually comes from compression. So we want to work to decompress without the excessive loading. So flexion, just going to use the table here. I'm going to kind of lean on it a little bit, use my arms, my upper body some. You don't want to overload those things, especially if you have shoulder issues, but we're going to kind of use that a little bit to kind of offload, or you can lean on it with your forearms a little bit, just to get more into the hips. If you're having knee or back pain, the hips are a good option. You also want to kind of train those hips for flexion too. So something like this at the wall to try to hinge more like a woodpecker, try to get into your glute and your heel here. So kind of this kind of motion, or if that usually actually works better than doing both sometimes, because you can control the tension better with using your back leg. Speaking of which, we're going to think about the extension piece with the back leg here, or if I switch it here, this back leg, using the core here and kind of leaning into that wall to try not to get the same amount of compression that you might get when you're standing vertically. So I can kind of rock through here and kind of work on stretching and engaging those muscles as if I'm holding myself up tall this way with potentially a lot less pain. Just got to emphasize the core, and when you're hinging for the flexion, emphasizing more of the gluteal muscles to help facilitate and improve your tolerance of those movements.